motion. We are focusing on the second law of motion. Our inquiry question is, how does changing mass affect acceleration? And our materials are masking tape, a measuring tape, toy Hot Wheel cars with, the first one has 20 quarters and it's held down with the masking tape. The second one is the same exact McDonald's car, 10 quarters, masking tape. We have a wooden board for our ramp, and we have a 6.5 height book, centimeters. Okay, so to start, we'll assemble our little ramp. Okay, we're going to start with the car with 20 quarters. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Alright. We're going to mark it where it was, where it landed. Okay, and Megan, can you measure that for us? And that comes to about 69.5 centimeters. 69.5 centimeters for the 20 quarters. Okay. Now we have the car with the 10 quarters. Alright. Gonna let this one go. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. As you can see, that one went much farther than the 20 quarter one. Alright. Megan, measure that one for us.
And this one went
Show when we do it.
to 88 centimeters.
Okay. Okay. You can see a big difference. Now we're going to do a car with no quarters and just the mass of the car. So we're going to take the car with 20 quarters and we're going to take them all off. Alright. Alright. 1, 2, 3.
That's much farther.
Yep, this one went farther.
And we can see it went much farther than the toy car with 20 quarters.
Alright, and the one with no quarters ended up with 92 centimeters.
Yep.
So, a little bit more than the one with
10.
10.
But still a difference.
Yeah, much different.
And we recorded our data over on a piece of paper.
Okay.
We'll have that written down.
So now, our claim, right, that we state is, what is it?
With more mass, the car will travel less farther, so acceleration is less.
Okay. And to support it, we have our evidence from our activities and supporting it with science.
From
the book, we have the second law of motion, and it says that the first part states that the smaller the mass of an object, the greater its acceleration when a certain force is applied to the object. So, this one had the car with no quarters had a smaller mass, so it accelerated more, while we had the car with the greatest amount of mass had the 20 quarters, and that obviously accelerated the least. And just to make it clear, we measured from this side of the tape, which was the front of the car. We're not measuring from this side. Right.
Right. And we measured
from 0, this was 10.
And we always mark the front end of the car to make sure we are measuring the proper distance in each car.
Okay. Can you state the 3 different measurements again?
Sure. The car that went 20, or the car that had 20 quarters, what was it again?
69.5 centimeters.
All right.
Okay.
The one that had 10 quarters
was 88 centimeters.
And the one that had 0 quarters.
That was 92 centimeters.
All right.
Okay.
So.
All right, so that's our evidence.
math. That's the least amount it went.
The last acceleration.
All right, let's say our names. We missed that in the beginning, just stating our names, first and last name.
Stephanie DeConio.
Lauren Delphin. Megan Holman.
And Mary Macca, taping.
She's behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes. All right, I think we're
good.
Anything else? Any last comments?
Nope, adios.